Okay, let's take a look at how to create a really simple little script in MATLAB and save it. What this will allow us to do is, what we're doing is creating a little program, and we're gonna create a little program. We're gonna do the tip calculator. We're gonna automate it. I'm cheating a little bit here. I've got a Word document open here, and I've got the script already written. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that into my buffer. I'm going to click Home in MATLAB now. I'm going to click New, and I'm going to pick Script. Okay, and this little editor window opens up here. You can see it in the middle. I'm going to paste that script right in there. And again, it's just a copy and paste. But we can go through this thing line by line. Okay, the first thing we want this thing to do is prompt. We want it to prompt and say, what is the total meal cost, including tax? And then we'll get the input. The user will input the meal cost. And then step 3, it'll calculate 15% of the meal. Step 4, it'll calculate what the total bill would be with the 15% tax or tip, etc., 20 and 25%. And then what we're going to do is we're going to save it, okay? And we'll run it. So I've got it here. You can see when I open up the editor, it opens up with an untitled file name here. So let's say I've gone in, I've typed this in. We are getting a little error message on the first line. It's a warning. We can ignore that for now. MATLAB, we'll talk about that and some of the other videos we make for the course. Well, what I want to do now, okay, so let's say I've got this thing in. I've got all my commands in there. Looks okay. I'm going to click Editor. I'm going to click Save. I'm going to click Save As. And I'm going to call this tip calculator. And I'll click Save here. See what happened? In my current folder now, I've got a program called tip calculator. Okay, a little script file called tip calculator. So I'm going to close out the editor. I don't need it anymore. I'm going to go to my command window. I'm going to type in tip calculator, and I'm going to hit enter. And the script is running now. What is the total cost including tax? Let's keep it simple. Let's say it's $100. Simple but expensive, right? And there we go. The meal is $100. 15% is $15. 15 plus 100 is 115. That would be tip 15 total. 20% of 100 is $20. So the total would be $120. 25% of 100 is $125. Or is $25. And so the total will be $125. Okay, so again, simple. And we've got that saved now. It's saved in our current folder. So when I shut down MATLAB, restart it again, this little script file is always going to be here. Over here in the workspace, you can see we've got the meal value. Prompt shows up. Again, let's not worry about that for now. It's just the workspace, so it's probably a good idea to have it showing there. And then you've got your tip calculations here. So that's it. Now, in the next video I make, I'll show you how to take this little tip calculator script and transfer it over to your cell phone. So you can carry this thing around. You can carry around your little tip calculator on your cell phone. And so you have it with you all the time, and the next time you go to a meal, you can give it a try. So let's stop this. Thank you.